And we are done. So everything should be in the recycling bin. And we are going on to our brochure. Wyatt, will you please pass these out? Pass those out. So, you all should have a device, either a phone or a Chromebook. You can use either one. You are going to be telling me and showing me ancient Greece, okay? So, you are going to, I'm going to borrow this. You're going to go to paper that looks like this. I want all eyes up here. All eyes up here. Okay? It's got numbers on it, and it's got some titles on it, okay? You're going to see that on your brochure, there are titles for each box. One thing that the last class struggled with is knowing whether they drew something or they had to write something. If it does not say draw, you are writing. Okay? If it says list or tell me about or describe, those are going to be written statements. Okay? So each box has a title over top of it, and it's going to tell you what to do. The one thing that's a little different is the front page. Okay? On the front page, you will have a box 1, a box 2, a place for the years, and a place for the name, your name, okay? So, let's go through this. We're going to fold these brochures. Yeah, that's how you fold, you got to fold a brochure. Okay, guys, we're going to go over it together. Hold on. Yes. Okay, so, do you know what a brochure is? No. All right, let's talk about it real quick. So, okay, we're done talking. We're done talking. Okay, so a brochure. Raise your hand if you have been to a place like Nashville, Tennessee, or maybe Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge. So, or even Mackinac City. Mackinac City will have them too. A brochure is usually a little pamphlet, and I'm going to show you how to fold it up. It's a pamphlet that has activities, details, facts, and it's just about the area that you're visiting, okay? It sometimes gives you places to visit, like maybe some shops or maybe a play or an amusement place. So that is what a brochure is. So we're going to do an activity that tells people about ancient Greece. Maybe it's to encourage somebody to move to ancient Greece. Maybe it's to for people who are already in ancient Greece, but maybe they don't know what to do one day. Okay, so we're gonna fold these. I want you to watch. Okay, this page is gonna face you like this. Okay. Yes, you do.
It's on the back.
Yep. It's gonna say government, places to visit, traditional food, economy, bodies, water, and mountains. Oh, okay. I didn't know. Oh. Okay, are you ready? The first page, you're gonna fold in this side. You go this way. Oh, it is my No. Okay. So we're gonna fold it like this. You got this side folded?
What?
How did you do that?
Can you redo that? Wait, like this.
Like this.
Hold it.
Fold this
Put it
in.
over the line.
Yes,
Wrong
just
way.
like that.
Oh.
It's gonna look like this.
Oh.
Okay? So you've got that side folded in. Now we are gonna fold in this side. It might not match up perfectly, that's okay. I'm not perfect, we're not perfect, that's alright. So it'll look like this. It's gonna be your front page. Front page. French.
I was coming in my mouth.
We're dying.
Really?
I folded it on. Oh, we got it.
Oh, did you
It's
do
okay.
you set coffee?
It's not
Did you
gonna be
quit
perfect.
smoking?
Oh.
Your cough's just different.
Oh my God.
That's
Oh.
I can help. Put it over like this.
Oh, not me.
Oh.
Oh.
Was it done?
Oh, my God.
Alright, time out. Everybody's got it folded, right? Good? We all got it folded. Okay, so when you're looking at this, I want to make sure you guys know this. Okay, I'm gonna borrow this. When I made this, when I made your like guidelines on what you're supposed to be putting on, okay, I looked at this page first. Okay, so you've got your title page, which is your front page, your interesting facts, your map of ancient Greece, and your geographical features. Okay, that's going to be on this page. The other side is going to be everything from government, economy, places to visit, bodies of water, traditional food, mountains, and then at the end, you are not coloring today because I know you aren't going to finish it today. Once everything is filled in, then you will add color, okay? Pamphlets are colorful. They're supposed to draw people in, okay? So once you're done, you'll have time to color. We will probably work on these tomorrow, okay? So remember, what's the one thing? What are the boxes that you draw in? They're gonna say one word in it. It's gonna say draw.
If it doesn't say that, just write.
You're gonna write. If it doesn't say draw, you're writing, okay?
What about outline grease on the box?
What do you think?
Draw?
Yeah, if it says outline, you're gonna draw, right? Usually when we do an outline of a map, we're drawing.
Like it says, list 4 facts about ancient Greece.
Yep.
If it says outline,
Outline, you're drawing. What's an outline? You're gonna outline the states. We've done it before. What are you gonna do? Yeah. Yep.
also if it says outline, you draw.
Outline and draw. You're obviously drawing, yes.
You should probably circle.
Yes. Yep, you can use your phone, your computers to find information to include in your brochure. Pictures, yes. Yes, I will help you. I'm dehydrated, so. I've been talking.
Yeah, I also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, they used to have